considered a slide which you play with. Okay, so we can allow different shapes of object to slide through it. So let us see which object will reach the ground first. Fine? Yeah. Now first let us allow the ball to slide through this. So if you observe, the ball reaches the ground in fraction of seconds. Now let us allow the cube to slide through it. So now if you observe, the cube is taking some time, right? It is taking some time to reach the ground. And finally, let us allow the cone. So similarly here also, the cone is also taking some time to reach the ground. So from this, we can conclude that the ball reaches first then compared to other object. And if you observe, the ball reaches the ground by rolling, whereas the cube and the cone reach the ground by sliding. So with this, we can divide the movement of objects into two types. So that is rolling and sliding. In the next class, so let's see about the top side or side view of the solid objects.